if we can see, let's see, euro, so here's the pound US dollar. Okay, we've moved 124 pips. There's the average range for the day. Man, this is going to be a really good video. So if 140 is the average range for the day and we're at 124 already, we have to think to ourselves. Remember, in the introduction to the kit, I say this is a thinking man's game. What is going to push the market past 140? News. Why? Well, because we're trading in a zero-sum environment. For every buyer, there has to be a seller. You know, the bank can't just go in there and say, you know, I know the pound is trading at, you know, $2.10. I think I'm just going to say mark it up to $2.10. You know, a bank can't do that. Why? Because then the bank would have to be willing to trade up there. And if every buyer in the world was down at $2.10, and they move up to $2.10, and they're trying to move it to $2.10, who's going to buy it at $2.10 when every buyer in the world is down here? So the bank makes one trade up there, boom, the price immediately falls down to $2.10, they lose a ton of money and they go out of business. That may be simplistic, but that's the way it works. So we have to think to ourselves, if the market has already moved 124 pips and the average is 140, what is the common element with the days that were above that? And I can tell you, the days that were above that, there was one common element. News. Go back to the market. Whoa. Okay, that's not very big. Sorry for that. Yes, I still have emotional reactions to the market. It's only down 21 pips. Everyone calm down. But this is a good case in point. So if I bought, remember we said hypothetically we bought back here, and we used the history tab to keep us, you know, holding through this, and now the market's moved up, and now it's down 21 pips. Are we going to expect the market to keep pushing to the upside? Well, for crying out loud, we're outside of the sweet spot. This is not the normal news announcement time. So unless some catastrophic event happens, is it likely that some news is going to come in to push price in our favor? No way. Seriously, no. Would it be prudent to exit the trade? Uh-huh. That's the pip range tab.